Hi. So for my 3D printing, I created this nameplate and I did have a struggle because it printed it on this extra plate. Apparently our 3D printer at school does this and it was supposed to be able to pop off, but as I've tried, it doesn't want to pop off. And I'd had my husband try and it kind of made a cracking sound, so I didn't have him do it before I showed you guys because I was kind of scared it might crack the entire thing if I pulled on it. I've talked to our STEM teacher who uses our school's 3D printer more, and she said that she's had this problem before too. There is a thing in the settings to click on and it won't do this next time, so that is definitely a piece of learning and a struggle. I also had a huge struggle getting my computer and my 3D printer to actually connect and talk. Um, it took me quite a while. I got to the point I went, if this doesn't work, I'm going to leave and just come back and walk away from it because it was not working at all. And then when I was like, this is the last try, of course, then they decided to connect. I had trouble getting, my computer wasn't recognizing the printer. If I plug the printer we have, you can either plug it into your computer or you can connect over the cloud. But when I tried to connect over the cloud, I had issues with the IP address, and it was really a simple, small issue, but I missed it, and I had asked for help, and one of my coworkers missed it too, so, but we got it. It will print cloud-based. The biggest struggle I have now is when I need to print, I have to go into school to print, and then I have to leave my computer at school while it's printing, and it takes it a while to print, so it's kind of a time struggle. But otherwise, I'm in good shape. I printed this. This is my horse's name. I was trying to make a nameplate to put on, we're planting a tree in memory of him, so I thought it would be cute. It didn't quite work, but I know what I need to do to either fix it or if I can get this plate to pop off. But I didn't want to crack it completely and then not have something to show for this. But in terms of what went right, everything came out the right dimensions and things, and that I'm happy with. I did notice I made a mistake in my building. I need to make sure you're being a little more precise. This circle is a teeny bit lower. But I think overall it went well once I figured out how to get everything connected and printing. And I had very few issues designing something to print. That part I had a short hour and a half PD on before, so that was quick and easy. The struggle was just with that connection piece. And then what I learned, the biggest thing I learned is when you're dealing with technology, sometimes you need to just take a deep breath and walk away and come back, because my issue was I forgot a space in the IP address for the printer, and that's why they weren't communicating. Because I was just getting frustrated and didn't notice that I didn't type in a space. And I think that's where a lot of people's tech issue struggles come from, is just not slowing down and taking a deep breath. So that is what I hope to kind of learn from this and go forward with 3D printing, is to just slow down. It's okay. Technology, sometimes it's a struggle, but usually it's something small and little that you missed. So you just need to slow down and it will be all right. And be willing to walk away from it and come back. But, all right, that's this week's. I will also link my Maker's Notebook so you guys can check that out. Thanks for watching this.